Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. Let's get into it.
This could go in the living room easily.
It's way off to me.
Clarence is so picky. We went on a trip. I had like 2 shows.
Since Turks and Caicos, we haven't really been home.
What's up, y'all? We are back with another YouTube video. It's been a minute.
It's been a little minute.
We ain't been home.
It's been a long minute for me too, y'all. I mean, I'm sorry, Petty fam. I mean, gee whiz. I've been gone for a long time, but I definitely missed y'all, and I'm back at it. All right, so big shout out to MH. Hey, girl. Shout out to everybody else. We love you, Petty fam.
In our last vlogs, we weren't home, but we are actually in our new house right now. And as y'all can see, it's a lot going on in the background. It's a lot of shoes and things. Our camera's currently on the shelf. We just got some shelves built to put all the shoes on, so like we need to do that. But we're going to be going to the store, well, a couple of stores, and trying to buy some things for the house. We still haven't got new sheets. We still ain't got a bed.
We just gotta get our stuff together. Like, it's like the accessory, like, it's nothing really huge. As you can see, this room right here, we're getting this room together. You want to show them the shelves?
Yeah, we can show. As y'all can see, this room looks like crazy. It's shoes everywhere. We got to get rid of this little basketball thing, but we need to put all these shoes on these shelves, and we might even have to like build more shelves. I'm not sure yet.
What you guys think though? Do you guys think we could fit all these shoes on these shelves?
Oh, these not the only shoes in here.
Right, you need more shelves, Pooh. I like the shelves though. Those are very nice shelves.
Yeah, there's more shoes actually.
Yeah, it's more shoes. So
we could keep going up.
Yeah, we probably could, and then get a little nice ladder and put some lights under each shelf so like it could shine down the shoes.
Yeah, we're gonna get some lights.
Yeah, so this room right here, it's not like, it's pretty much gonna be like a, I want to say like a
chill,
like a chill
entertainment room.
Yeah, he wants to put like, you know how they had the old school games like Pac-Man and all that stuff.
Some arcade games.
Some arcade games in here for the kids, and then of course TV. Dad's just been sitting there, TVs on the wall. He wants like 2 of them. But yeah, this is just one of the rooms
that we're trying to get together. So we're slowly like doing it room by room. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna get a few things that we've been needing and just haven't had time to do. You know
but y'all asked, and we are officially in our new home. So
yes, we are. We
are, and we love it. And yeah, so let's get to the rest of the vlog. Okay, y'all, so we are finally at the store. We are deciding to come to this store right here, West Elm. I was online, remember, trying to find the table there at the old house. We were gonna go to Bed Bath Beyond. We still gonna go, but just after this. And we might get some Flower Child because it's over here. So we are in here looking at bed sheets and stuff because I didn't know they had this in here.
You can tell a lot about a person by their bed sheets. I feel like that color is giving off like freak.
Freak? I didn't think of that. I thought of like older, so? Like older married couple.
Older freaks.
Older freaks.
Yeah.
They got some nice stuff in here though.
Well, yeah, I mean, we might as well get everything from right here.
They also have beds we can buy. We gotta look through the book though, but we gotta ask somebody to help us. Beyond? No, here, West Elm. This is the same place where I want to get the table. Remember, babe was arguing about the bench table.
Yeah.
It's here.
Oh, they have it here?
Yeah.
You can see if they have it.
This is the kind of furniture I really, really like. Like, it's just modern and like simplistic. But the thing is, we don't want to get a headboard. So we need to find a bed with no headboard.
I do feel good.
Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, this feels nice. Look at the pattern, y'all.
Are y'all headboard or no headboard on your bed? I don't know. It feels weird not having a headboard. I don't know why. I'm old school, I guess. But y'all let me know.
I feel good. It's neutral.
I need.
See, something like this could go with the white and the nude kind of. What you think?
I think we should get 2 sets of sheets, one white one and one not white.
Not white, yeah.
And then we should get one blanket for now with the pillow, with the pillows.
One blanket covers. Or duvet, because this is a duvet. This one.
Well, then we're gonna have to get the blanket with this thing that go on top of it. And I think that's right, bro. We need help. Hold on.
All right, so Queen been looking for like a little jewelry box. Something that she could like hang her necklaces. I was saying she could hang it right here and then it falls right in here.
This is cute, but we need to get a dresser.
Can you get
to put this on top of?
So more jewelry.
I definitely need this. Cool. So y'all, we walked out with some things. We didn't end up getting no dresser, but Crate and Barrel was over there, so I think we might go there. Crate and Barrel.
Store big as hell.
Ooh. I like big skirts. This is nice. What y'all think about this mirror? I like it. It's big.
You like this one or the one you seen on the computer over there?
I like this one. Because this one, like, wide.
No, the other one's wide, too. You don't remember the one he showed you on the...
I know, but I like that shape. This could go in the living room easily up against that wall. I be loving these kind of beds. Like, with the canopy thing. But I guess we're trying to find a bed that has no backboard. All right, y'all. So we're about to go back and look at some beds. Clarence is so picky. He is so picky. Like, oh my God. Like, at first we was going to get a bed with no headboard. But now we might get a short one because we showed the lady the wall and she said we could do one with a headboard.
This comes in a black.
In a king size?
You can do it in king. And low key, I'm not mad at like a white or cream one.
This. Is that the short version? The short one?
Yeah.
Check the curls out real quick, gang. Yeah, but I'm starving, gang. I'm not gonna lie. I'm dumb hungry. That's why I don't be liking going out with Queen shopping, because now I'm hungry, starving, thirsty, all that.
All right, y'all. So.
One thing, hangry. It is hard going to shop with a shopper. You know, it's like they don't even realize, like, it's been all day. I need some rest. We need to do something else. And you just, like, everything just kind of melds together. And you like, like, I'm ready to go. I don't care what we get. Just get anything. Let's go.
We came out here for a sheet set. We ended up ordering
We did buy the table.
dining table.
We got the table.
See, I'm like Claire. Like, I got a limited patience for shopping. Like, I need to get in, get out. Like, I came in for this one thing, and now we've been here for 9 hours. And we got like 19 things. But, you know, I feel queen though, because you get a new house, you got to start from the bottom. You need to get like everything perfect. You know, you need to be comfortable. You need to get everything. And so it's a couple days. It's like multiple hours. So I feel where she's coming from, but I need short spurts like Claire though. I can't be doing all that in one day. God bless them. They house gonna be fire, of course. You know it.
Oh, that I always wanted. Yeah, that don't come till like October.
That's what I'm trying
but
to
we
say.
do need to figure out our room because we got a bunch of clothes and boxes in our closet. So we got to figure out a dresser, but we can't find the dresser until we get the bed, which is why I'm like just trying to get the bed. So we're about to get something to eat now. If Flower Chat is still open, I think it is. We got people outside. Yo, I just be so eager.
She be so eager to order everything, and then she gonna end up changing her mind.
I don't think I would change my mind. I don't. Because it's a regular bed. I think he needs to figure out what bed he wants.
How many beds did you buy? Did you buy the kids?
Well, that's because like they kept outgrowing. But I don't think we can outgrow. We already grown.
They've gotten 3 beds in 1 year.
I don't think we would do that though.
They had separate beds. Then she said it was too cluttery. Then she bought a bunk bed. Then she said it was taking too much room. So then she bought 2 separate beds.
I just think we need to hurry up and get ours. I mean, the only reason I want to hurry up and get the bed because you said we can't get the dresser without the bed
That's
first.
what I'm saying.
And we need dressers. Like, we need it.
All right. And if you're ordering all that, the lady in there said she needs dimensions and everything to really help us and measurements and stuff. And Queen wants to
I'm just so
order
scared he's going to change his mind when we come back. I know I'm like a very impulsive person, but he will sit on something and just wait. Just wait until we end up not moving.
I'd rather that than waste money like you do.
Well, we just gonna end up not having. That's why I want.
I'm not in that way. I'm not in that way.
An interior designer. Well, we're about to get something to eat.
That's true though. You know, it's hard. And definitely, I think Queen is really naturally gifted at like designing things and think about details. So that's why they work well together. You know, you got the person who's like, you know, let's plan it out, and then you got the person who's gonna be like, okay, you know, let's just dip and dab and get it in, get it out, you know. So you need both of those in a relationship. And I think she do a really good job with all of apartments and houses that they've had. You know, she designed each of them differently to match the house and where they are at that moment. And like she said, kids grow out of stuff. You know, you don't want a big twin bed for a baby. So you got to, you know, intermittently change, you know, and get a bigger bed and different kind of vibe. And, you know, one day he in the baby shark and next thing he grow up and he wants something else, you know. So it just ebb and flow. So I think she's doing a good job. It's a long day. So I feel clear with that.
We're about to go to Flower Child.
At least we got bed sheets. I mean, to be honest, I'm cool with just staying what we got. Cause the one
That's what I'm saying. At least we took like one step closer.
The best way to solve this is interior designer. That's the best way. Why?
I told you to do the interior design.
No, you. Oh my God, no, he did.
I told you that you
go back to the old videos.
You have a no, but I said you have a friend that could do it, and you said no. I don't think.
No, she's not really an interior designer. She's a hairstylist.
That's what she do though.
No. Flower Child. Hello. We moved from outside to inside because Clarence was hot and I was cold.
I was out there for 5 minutes. A bug flew in my face. It's dumb hot. I started sweating, and it's like, bro.
I just love a good outside patio eat vibe.
Nah, me too. But like, not when it's ugly hot like that.
I'm with Claire again. I can't be outside like this. And it's hot everywhere. It's hot up north. It's hot down south. I can't be outside being comfortable eating my food, fighting with bugs. Like, no.
I need to go change my drink. Y'all, it's freezing. I don't know how you don't feel that. That's crazy.
It's hot in here too.
No, it's freezing. They got the air on blast.
Like, let's have a serious talk here. You're malnourished.
I'm not malnourished.
No, you are, babe. Between you and CJ, bro, we'll be in the hottest place, and she'll be like, bro, it's happening in Turks and Caicos. Oh my God, it's so cold in here. But we're in Turks. Like, you got what I'm saying? She has the heat on in Turks in the room. That's your iron. I remember when I first met you, you were lawn iron, and you were, what was it called?
I needed my iron pills.
No,
anemic.
Like anemic. She was anemic. Always cold for no reason.
My anemia may have come back, but like.
I think so. I'm saying you need some more iron. We need to get you some iron pills. Because it's really like, it feels amazing.
That's true though. You gotta thank you for taking good care of her, Claire, because y'all do need to, pay attention to that, because that anemia is no joke.
Freezing. Once I get my food, I start warming up.
Yeah, that's another thing. I know once I start eating, I'm gonna get really hot.
He just sweat for no reason though. He always sweating. I feel like there's something with you.
I'm always hot.
Right. That's something. That could be something with you. I'm malnourished. I'm
warm-blooded.
No, you cold-blooded.
How am I cold-blooded?
Cold-blooded, like no heart.
That feels amazing. This is exactly how I would want our house to feel.
Oh my God.
But like you, bro, I'm not gonna lie. Remember I told you, you're not allowed to touch the thermostat.
No, I'm allowed to touch it. Don't do that.
You changed it, right?
What did I change it to?
You changed it.
I turned the
heat
air
was on 76. No, it was on air, but it was on 77 or something.
Yeah, because if we're gonna keep the air on, we might as well
turn the heat on. 77 degrees. That's like what's the weather right now?
He said don't turn the heat on, so I didn't. I kept the air on, but I made it go up.
She has a bad tendency, like I said, it will be dumb hot outside, like 89, and then she'll have it 75 inside. In the summertime, right or wrong.
Yeah, but it be cold in the house because you be having to freeze in the house.
We worked this hard. We finally got central air, and we use heat.
No, because
in the summer, like let's use the central air.
The reason why I need to put on the heat is because he be having it so cold in the house that I have to rush and turn the heat on to warm it up.
That's not true.
I just forget to turn it back off, but it be freezing.
The other day she had it on 79 heat.
I'm gonna have to start walking around the house in a
Is that not what people do? Do you not see girls on TikTok all in their house with a hoodie?
I still be cold with a hoodie on.
Put a hoodie on.
But you could just walk around naked in the house.
No, you can't. It's harder.
Hi. Oh, here has pudding. Oh, that look good. What's that? Nutella pudding?
No, it's chocolate pudding.
Oh, yum. Look at our food, y'all. That is...
Okay, I see y'all eating healthy. I'm gonna check that out, y'all.
This is mine.
The shrimp look good. That's my first time ever saying shrimp look good. Yo, should I try a shrimp right now?
No, you shouldn't.
Give me a piece
right
now.
No, Claire, don't do that, sweetheart. We do not want to see you at the emergency room again.
Not until you
Let's see what happens.
Not until you get a text.
Let's just see.
No, babe. We don't have time for that. You better not. Okay, we about to dig in. Excited. Y'all, it feels so good out here. We just finished eating. I don't understand how he don't think this feels good. Babe, how would you feel about me cutting my hair?
This hair right here? Like Jada Pinkett?
No, not like that. I'm talking about cutting my hair into a bob. Like for my new era, you know?
Like how? Like bob like this?
Not that. Like a little bit longer.
Like this?
Yeah.
For what?
I'll tell you off camera. All right, y'all, so we are back home finally. And as y'all can see, I'm wearing a hoodie in the house. I'm wearing his hoodie because basically you can control the temperature from different parts of the house. So this part where he be, it's freezing. So I had to put...
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I had to put his jacket, his hoodie on for us to do these shoes. So hold on, let me show you. So I tried to start doing it by myself because I thought he was about to stream. But he looked at me and he laughed because the way I was doing it. How'd you want to do it, babe? You want to put all the Jordan numbers together?
Yeah.
So yeah,
yeah, you gotta let him sort them shoes, girl, because he got a whole way that he playing these out. Wow, all the Jordan numbers together. That's a shoe collection right there.
I don't know what that is. I'm gonna just let you take the lead on that. But we probably gonna do this. Try to put all these shoes up here, and we have a whole nother set in the closet next to our room. And then after that, I'm going to go strip down all the sheets from our bed. He wants to get rid of them completely, like throw them out in the trash, which I don't think we should do that. I think we should wash them and give them away. Some people could use sheets.
Give them away.
Yeah, let's give them away. Yeah, and then put the new sheets on. I think really what we supposed to do is wash them first. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm not even about to do that. I'm just putting new sheets on.
Wash the sheets first?
I think so, because they came straight from the factory. But to be honest, we're not gonna die. We'll be all right. I'm gonna just put the new ones on the bed because I'm tired of sleeping with the sheets we have been sleeping with. So yeah, this is what Clarence is doing. Y'all, all his shoes gonna take up this whole wall.
I don't think so.
I think so. I think so for sure. I'm not definitely gonna have any room for my.
I think so. I think they're gonna take that whole wall, and I think he's gonna have to build another shelf on both of the other walls. And I think he should just look into like shelves up there on the ceiling. I mean, I'm just saying. That boy got a lot of shoes.
So that's why I don't get shoes, because I know it's only a certain amount of space. I don't buy shoes anymore because I know he gonna need more room than me. Clarence got a gluttony spirit. All these shoes he got, you don't need this many shoes. You don't even wear all these shoes. He got enough shoes that he don't have to buy any more shoes for the rest of his life. Because there's only many colors that you're gonna wear. You don't need no more shoes, baby.
It's just in case.
No, just in case what? Like, his shoe collection is disgusting.
You don't have a lot of shoes.
I don't have a lot of shoes. I have probably like 30 pairs of shoes. You got 275.
You just guessed that.
I'm sure.
That's not true. Watch.
Y'all, no, watch. Look at all of this. Look at all of this over here. All these piled up stuff. Shoes, his. All this stuff, his. Still shoes on the floor, his. He still got all of this.
Bro, all these are not going on the wall.
Exactly. You got so many shoes that, like, they all can't even fit on the wall. Look at this big old bag of tail shoes. Look at all them shoes. That's crazy. Because what you need all them for?
Yeah, what you need all your clothes and bags for? Why do you need 4 pink purses?
I will sell all of them purses. I will give away. No, you won't. You'll never sell these.
I'll sell half of these, yeah.
I only wear like 2 purses, and y'all always see
some of them
it.
that just mean something to me, but I sell.
So point out a pair of shoes and tell me what they mean to you. Like, for real, right now, I challenge you.
Pick a shoe. I'll tell you the story.
What do these mean to you?
These, actually, you bought me these for, I think, a Father's Day. Was it Father's Day? Like a past Father's Day?
The Dornbeckers?
And when she told me to price them, I didn't really approve. Like, that's a lot of money for a sneaker. But then when I did like my research, this is just like, this is a pair that, like, you know, is very sought out after. So I do appreciate it.
And Beast helped me.
And Beast is the one that helped her pick these. So yeah, I probably wouldn't sell these.
Yeah. Okay. No. Let me do one more. Let's do one more.
Go ahead.
What about these? These
actually.
Give me a good story.
Wasn't these? What would be a story about these?
Exactly.
I think this is one of the first pair of shoes that I bought when I got some money. Like, cause these was a lot and I couldn't really afford these. Like, you know, when they first dropped. You know, I remember when these first dropped and I finally got my hands on them. Look at these just sitting in the bag. These are I think these are LeBron's 2s, 3s, whatever. This is one of LeBron's first sneakers right here.
Y'all see me get excited about.
Check these out. I'm telling you, people gonna know. If you know, you know. Like, you know what I'm saying? But
all right, well, let me tell you what's important to me. These right here.
I don't even wear those.
Was a pair of shoes.
Just picking up.
There's a pair of little comfortable things that I got for the Mary J. Blige tour. I never ended up wearing them because they actually are very, very uncomfortable. So these can go. So this is progress so far. Not really much, but enough.
Alright, y'all, so what, it's been like an hour and a half later, and this is our progress right here.
I knew it was gonna take
We
longer.
got some sneakers right there. She thought I was gonna take the whole thing. I don't think I'm gonna take the whole thing, but it's not gonna be enough room first, so we're gonna do something else. Cause we also gotta do something for your purses somewhere.
I'm gonna get rid of a lot of my purses.
So maybe he could do this for you for purses.
No, my purse is going in my closet.
Oh, okay.
Already.
You already did it?
Mm-hmm. But all these shoes, Clarence is selling it. And then this is going to be the shoes that he's just going to give away and not sell.
Yeah.
Why he sells shoes? Because he spent money on them.
Hell yeah. Some of these are just, a lot of those is unworn, tags still on them. We're going to sell those. And then I got a big bag. I'm going to show y'all the bag too, because I'm going to give away a lot of shoes too.
Nah. No, you did not. You might as well. That's too much trouble.
Bro, these are
EYBL
KDs.
But you sitting there out of breath.
Yeah, but these are basketball sneakers and they're uncomfortable.
Yeah, look at his head sweating. Wait, no.
I won't wear them.
From putting that shoe
I probably won't wear these.
Alright, y'all. So far, this is the progress of this room. Tomorrow, our cleaner is coming. So he's going to do the floor, like clean the floors and stuff. I mean, to be honest, it's really not even done. We still got like trash and stuff here. But like, so far, this is like how it is. It's been a long time coming, y'all. And he still got shoes in the other closet that he got to put on here. Those are some of my shoes over there, but yeah. Clarence took a break. He was starving, so he's downstairs eating right now. Y'all, yes, we got a white couch. And so far, I had to clean it only once. Because Legend had Cheeto dust on it.
The lighting is type bomb.
Yeah, even at nighttime. This is an orange light too. So yeah, he's taking an eating break. Me, I'm not hungry at all. I'm not hungry at all. We still gotta put the sheets on the bed. Y'all, it's about to be 2 in the morning. Hold on, let me show you some American deli.
American deli.
How the wings
fried rice. Crispy wings. Hot. Lemon pepper.
And y'all, look, we still got boxes over there, as y'all can see. I'm telling y'all, we are not unpacked at all yet. Y'all see how short I am on the couch? That's the end of it. So these are the things that we got from Crate and Barrel. West Elm earlier. And this is the bed frame that we currently have that I don't want to be stuck with. But we're just going to change our sheets for now. I know right now this looks real, crazy.
It's gonna come along.
But it's gonna come together. Fun fact, this is one of the master bedrooms in our house. We just chose this one to be closer to the kids.
Alright, which one you want to do? We got 2 colors, y'all. Get it.
That was heavy. I say let's do the tan one first.
The one I opened up.
Yeah. We bought this color. You can't really...
We got this neutral color.
Yeah, it's like a neutral color, y'all can tell. This was $300, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. For she said that's crazy.
So we doing the neutral sheets with the neutral...
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, that's a duvet.
This might be the duvet cover.
This is the duvet cover.
So what is this?
These are the sheets. Okay, this is the duvet cover, y'all. These are the sheets. Okay. Let's race.
They're such a good team together, and they just about to have fun. They always find a way to make everything fun. I love that.
3.
Yeah, so I don't know if y'all heard that right there, but we bought a duvet cover, which is this one right here, which this guy told us to buy. And I don't know, on the camera it looks very similar, but in person it's way off to me.
It is.
I don't know what color this is. This gives me like Jerusalem tan.
That one.
Does that make sense?
Why you say
Did you make that up, or is that really a color? Y'all let us know.
Because it looked like someone would wear this. Like this color, like a
Like
Dashiki
Jesus?
or something, yeah, something like that. Yeah, something Jesus will. So what we're gonna do is take this back because this is $300 and get
something that can
like
go
something that go
white
with this and white. This ain't gonna go, bro. I
I
don't know
feel like
why I
get
listen
one
to what's his name?
Wyatt?
Yeah. Why are you listening to Wyatt for?
That wasn't his name.
Well, yeah, we're gonna go back and get some of this color, man. Hopefully they do got something. I think they did. We seen one, right? We seen one. So we're gonna take this back.
I thought we should get naked, get under covers, and talk to him.
All right, let's just put the duvet on, and then we should be good. Clear up this room a little bit.
I looked it up. I think it's called the throw. That garment that they wear that's ankle length. And I would have called it dashiki, but I was trying to make sure I knew the right word.
So we gotta take some pictures because Queen wants to order a bed and furniture, and they need the measurements for the room.
All right, y'all. So it is exactly 3:40 right now, 3:40 a.m. and I'm dumb tired. So we both just took showers so that we can sleep in.
Hey, I was working. It was 2 o'clock. Y'all was still going at it. Like 3. Y'all just get ready to go to bed. I hope y'all still asleep because golly.
Wait, why are you laughing?
Because she didn't want to take a shower.
All right, y'all, I'm gonna be honest. Let me keep it real. I didn't want to take a shower because
I got out of the shower. I was like, oh, she was in the bathroom. I was like, you about to get in the shower?
I was like, actually, no.
She was like, no. I was like, you're not about to take.
And then I was like, well, do you think I'm dirty? And then I realized we did just put some new sheets on the bed. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I would have just waited till the morning because it's already like morning time because I was really tired. But honestly, the shower, I know I just said I was tired to y'all, but the shower kind of woke me up a little bit. And I started listening to my album and I started thinking of things. But I'm still tired though. But yeah, so we showered. We're gonna lay in our bed. We need a new mattress, by the way, too. Okay, we showered, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I didn't wash my face because I'm not doing my skincare routine until after we cut the camera off. Because, you know. This is what happens when I get tired. Why are you looking at me through the mirror? So this is our very bare minimum empty room right now. And I'm very tired of seeing those plastic dresses right there, which is why I was trying to get Clarence to, you know, have us decide on getting a rug. Look at the little lights on the TV. Oh, how cute. But, yeah, I'm tired of seeing those. So hopefully y'all man will decide. It's really hard to coordinate something with this wall right now. But don't worry, y'all. It's going to come together. Trust the process. And right now, we just sleeping with the duvet because we don't have a cover because we got to take the cover back. But, yeah. Y'all lotion y'all feet and then put on socks. I wish y'all could see Clarence right now. He booty butt naked. And he got on socks and slippers. But look at my socks, y'all. It says Zaddy. Zaddy. Yep, off to bed. We're finally in bed after today. I got my butterfly pajamas. You like? I found it in the box that I've been living out of. Because we don't have a dresser.
We gotta get a dresser.
I wish y'all could smell him. He smell like...
Well, that's fine.
Oh, I just want to fall into your pores. It reminds me of like a very good smelling like wood.
Close.
Like a wood fire burn.
Yeah.
Oh, it smell good.
It's called By the.
See, that was a nice masculine kind of sense, you know, that guys be wearing. Okay, clear.
Fireplace.
Oh, that smells really good. You smell like
That is a fireplace.
by the fireplace. I love that. And I got my regular Bath and Body Works Into the Night lotion. Smells really good, but I need some back.
There's been certain things, I don't want y'all to think that we just went missing. There's certain things that has like caused us to kind of step back from vlogging. I just didn't want y'all to think, because I know we do be inconsistent, but this time it wasn't due to inconsistency all the way, right?
Yeah.
There's things that have, you know.
Same here, y'all. Y'all pray for y'all petty fam. I appreciate all y'all love, support, and your prayers. But I'm trying to get back on y'all. It's just been kind of crazy. But God bless y'all. Y'all pray for me. Love y'all very much.
Transpired and us moving and everything happened.
And you pray for the royal family too. Y'all pray for Queen and Clare.
And a lot happening at once.
Maybe we'll tell y'all that story for another video, but there's definitely a story that we need to tell you guys on why we chose to wait so long to even vlog inside of our house.
And why we're choosing till now.
And why we're choosing until now. There's some things we have to do to get squared away first. And which is why we also like are just now starting to put things in this house and like unpack and stuff. Plus we've been gone a lot. We went on a trip. We went to New York. I had like 2 shows. Since
Turks and Caicos, we haven't really been home.
I literally just got home like yesterday morning.
And I got home 2 days before she did. I'm not gonna lie, I know y'all just seeing this vlog, like us doing so, but these are the first couple of things we've done for the house. So like you guys are, it's not like
y'all seen it from the beginning.
Yeah, it's not like we've been doing anything, like we've finished anything. Like we literally, the only place that's done in here is pretty much the kids' room. We got their room kind of done.
Their room is
they got new beds. Y'all didn't see that.
We still gotta like design their room though, but like,
yeah. We still got a little more to do, like make it more kid friendly. But their furniture is kind of done. They just need decorative things and decorative, yeah. Things.
And then our room is completely just not done at all. The living room, all the living room has is a couch. That's it. Not even a rug. We don't even have our new dining table. Well, we just got that today. We don't have vases. We don't have decorations. We don't have mirrors yet. We still got the rugs from the old house that we need to throw out. So
those are the little things we haven't done.
Yeah, it's just been a journey, but I'm really thankful for this home. I love this home. Thanks to God for making it happen. This is a room that I stood in before, and I was like, I don't know if y'all seen it on the vlog, but I was like, remember when we came downstairs and I got in the car and I was, this house is ours.
It's beautiful. It's like really
modern.
Crazy, yeah. It's really a crazy house.
So I haven't seen everything
yet. Yeah, it just needs though.
It's kind of like a canvas.
The finishing touches.
It's a blank canvas.
I feel like all the main big stuff, yeah, we do have. Like we got the couch, we got the.
Just a couch. We don't have the big stuff.
We didn't get it. So yeah, I mean that's pretty big though.
And then we're working on our room next. So hopefully, Clarence, don't hold us back any longer.
We actually gotta take some measurements.
Well, we need to take a picture instead.
And pictures. Measurements and pictures. They said they need that to help us with the furniture and stuff. But
give me your hand.
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
Got a lot of. It's my little secret. I forgot what it's called. Lineage? Lene?
Yeah.
Lene lip mask. Make sure you put that on every night, gang.
We're both gonna get some tattoos, right?
Yeah, she about to get my name.
He gonna get my name. Why are you laughing?
Well, I can't laugh.
You don't wanna get my name?
Because you said it seemed like you didn't believe that I would get your name.
I know, because my name is so common. Not common, but it's so like, what's the word? Like you could put queen for anything.
No man is just gonna put queen on her thing.
I had to really think about it, and like, I hate to say this, Mom, but if I really think about it, I don't really like my name. Because like queen, like it's just one syllable. I don't know. I know it means something, but it's like, I wish it was something like really, and then Naija, like it just feels like I'm chewing gum. Like, Naija, like.
Now, you remember how the guy in the airport said it? It was like, you're dizzy. Like, Naija?
Yeah, Naija.
Yeah, a lot of people like Naija.
I wish it was something pretty like Venezuela. It's just something very pretty. Let's play a little game before we go to sleep. I'm gonna give you like, what other name do I look like that's not my name? And then I'll tell you what I think you look like. So like, look at me and tell me what you think my name could be.
I feel like you could be either like a Clarissa or a Shirley or like a Jasmine, like those three.
Clarissa, Shirley, okay, or Jasmine.
Yeah.
Yo, do I look like a Clarissa? What is a Clarissa, babe?
I don't know. Like it just gives me like
Clarissa. Well, I never even heard that name.
Clarissa.
Clarissa, you mean?
It's close to my name.
Clarissa, Jasmine, or Shirley?
Yeah, like some.
That sounds like a daughter named Clarissa. Okay, I see y'all. I'm just playing.
Old? I look old, babe.
Wait, Queen is older than all.
No, but I look old.
No, you don't look old. You look good.
I can see me look like a Jasmine. Okay, let me see. You like it could be like Enrique or like Juan. Like you like a Juan, like the kind that you spell with the J. Juan. Juan. You like a Juan?
A Juan.
Like you like a Juan.
I do not look like a Juan.
You like a Juan.
There is no Juan in this world.
Juan.
There's no Juan in this world that looks like me.
Nah, wait.
Juan?
Juan. No, or like a Enrique.
When you say Juan, I'm thinking of
you like a Javier.
A Javier?
Yes. Wait. Just look straight. Close your mouth.
No, because you got me up.
Babe, shh. We gonna get yellow.
That part. He is a brother. He want to stay that way. I mean, come up with some more names. You got him in one direction. He say, I'm not that way. Turning a little left to the left.
Sorry, but that's crazy. A Juan?
You just look very Spanish, like Juan.
I look
Javier. But you just chill out. You sound like a Clarissa.
I'm gonna take that back. You look like
a Clarissa? You look a Derek.
You look like a Elizabeth.
That's my cousin's name, but dang. Elizabeth?
Yeah, you look like
Elizabeth. Elizabeth? Oh my.
It's funny because it's still a queen.
Guys, 4:12. We gotta go to sleep. Hope you guys enjoyed this somewhat of a house reveal.
Vloggy vlog
slash yeah. Peace out. Good night.